The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, and right about now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is out on social media. And some of the things that had happened in this video, viewers and subscribers, it is somewhat of a shocking video. So I'm telling you right about now that viewers' discretion is advised. Now, this video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, it is said that this video had been recorded live and put out there on social media. This video shows of two females and they are holding on to objects that are considered to be weapons, and these females were in a vehicle with a male. Alright? Now, some of the things that had happened in this video, some persons on social media consider it to be kidnapping. You get what I'm saying to you? And this video shows of these females saying some things to the male that is considered to be threats as well. You see me? According to what has been said about this video on social media, it is said that this had happened somewhere within the United States of America, but I do not have any information as to exactly where within the United States of America this had happened. You see what I'm saying to you? Nor do I have any information as to when this had happened. And I do not have any information as to what had happened to the females nor the male after this live recording had been put out there on social media. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, however, I am bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because it is out on social media. It's being talked about on social media, is what I'm saying to you. And some of the things that had happened in this video raises concerns out there on social media. And, comments had been made about how this whole thing had happened. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. And you can also let me know what you think about what had happened in this video. You see me? You can let me know if you think that what had happened in this video, if it is kidnapping or if it is not. You see me? You can let me know what you think overall about this whole video. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, as I'm about to show you this video, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now take a look, listen and observe.
We gonna kill you. We ain't gonna kill. We got something better than that.
What's better?
Shut the fuck up.
You don't want your money.
Shut the fuck up. Just shut up, Harold.
Yes, sir.
Shut the fuck up. The fuck? Where was you gonna give me my money? All that fake ass heart attack ass shit, don't do that shit. Cause you fucking play with me, you play with my money, you try to get out my car one more time and stab your ass in your neck.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't fucking play with me.
Yes, ma'am.
The fuck wrong with you? I wasted all my fucking gas.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand I ain't got no fucking gas money?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
The fuck wrong with you when you wanna stop fucking playing with me? Reach me my door one more fucking time. Yeah, we got your ass on camera too. Talking about some fucking bad pussy. I'll turn your bitch ass in and fucking play with me. The fuck wrong with you? Bitch ass nigga wanna try to get out my fucking car?
No, that's after you.
Cause you know you wrong. Shut the fuck up!
How you gonna be broke as hell trying to buy some pussy?
The fuck wrong with you? Got me coming out here for shit. Bitch, I really kill your ass. Shut the fuck up. We finna beat your ass though. We ain't gonna kill you.
Okay.
What the fuck wrong with you? Where the fuck my money?
Why you wanna play?
Empty your fucking pockets right now. Take all that shit out.
Take everything out your fucking pocket.
And reach for my door. I wish the fuck you.
I'll empty my pockets.
Take everything out.
Reach for my door. I'm gonna make you fall out this bitch and die.
I don't have anything, no, but
Give me
Take
everything
out.
yes, ma'am. Pockets. There.
Watch that.
Here's
Watch
my
his
hat.
head. Watch his head, Cole. Make
Here's
sure
my
watch
hat.
that door.
Here's my hat and my torch. Do you want
Give
that?
everything on your ass.
Empty your jacket.
Yes, ma'am.
The fuck wrong with you? Wanna play with my fucking money?
I don't wanna
Ain't got no
play.
fucking gas for your ass, nigga.
Here.
The fuck
You
wrong?
want me to take the jacket off? Rick?
Empty the jacket.
Yes,
Empty
ma'am.
the jacket. Go to the outside pockets too.
Yes, ma'am.
Watch my fucking door. That man try to get out my door.
I'm
Let me
not
know
gonna
I'ma
get
stab your ass to death.
Here.
Fuck you wanna play with me?
I don't want to play.
Stupid ass bitch.
Here.
He said, get off line.
Here.
Who?
I don't want to play.
Bitch ass nigga wanna fucking play? No, a bitch ass nigga gonna learn how to fucking play with me. I'll reach for my fucking door. Have a heart bitch. Fuck wrong with you? Got me driving that fucking work for your bitch ass. You ain't got no fucking money. I'll kill your bitch ass right the fuck now. Stupid ass bitch.
Right here. Put your hands
Yeah, I'm on it. The fuck wrong with you, bitch? This ain't shit to be played with. Bitch, you don't play with my fucking money.
back the fuck away from me. Put your fucking hands right there.
Bro, he ain't got shit in his pockets.
No, he don't.
What a dope.
I told you, I don't have the dope yet. That's what.
How the fuck you gonna get on post some shit with no?
Man,
You dumb as fuck.
Because I always deal with them. That's why you can go there probably now and they'd have the money.
You think you so fucking smart?
I don't think I'm smart.
You think you so fucking smart?
I don't think I'm smart.
Alright, tell me why I should kill you right now, huh?
Because
huh?
it's worth more money to you if you don't. Because
huh?
you get the
You're
money.
not worth more money to me because you ain't
Bro,
got
this
shit.
bitch ass nigga fucking play with me, and if I kill this bitch ass nigga about my fucking money, look at this bitch ass nigga. Bitch don't fucking play with me. Next time you think you want to try some young ladies, you better pick the right motherfuckers, cause this ain't that nigga.
No, man.
I take your ass on his dad and do your ass bad, nigga.
Yes, man.
The fuck wrong? Hey, where my money at?
The money is right there. You can go get it. I promise you.
Lie one more time.
I'm not lying. They're going
fuck?
to get the money at the bank, man. I would not make it that.
Stupid.
I wouldn't love to all that.
Bitch ass nigga. Won't fucking play with me, bitch. I ain't shit to be fucking played with, bitch.
You're not.
What the fuck around here on this fucking dead end? Bitch ass nigga wanna fucking play. Say, cuz, I'm finna get out and put that bitch on. Hey, don't reach for my fucking
No,
dope.
I'm not. No.
Reach for shit. Fuck.
You don't want to get.
The fuck you mean I should kill this bitch ass nigga? Bitch won't fucking play with me. I keep telling you, bitches ain't shit to be played with. Bitch wanna play with my fucking money. Unlock the door, cuz. Stupid bitch. Empty your fucking pockets right now.
Step out and empty your pocket.
They ain't stepping out of shit.
You want me to empty?
You can't empty the back. Empty the back one too.
Yes, ma'am.
Cause them ain't he ain't empty them.
Bro ass play on my fucking money, bro. Do you hear me? Bitch, I don't play. Fuck wrong with you, nigga? Give me, hey, take all that shit out. Take all your fucking clothes off and throw this shit in the river. Take all that shit out right the fuck now. Man, take that shit out. Take that fucking shit out. I'll stab your ass to death. Take that shit the fuck out. The fuck wrong, man, bitch, don't fucking play with me, boy. I swear to God, on Chubby Grave, bitch, I ain't playing. Give me all, bitch. Give me all that shit. Take them fucking socks out. Fuck wrong with you? Wanna fucking play with me? Scrap, hurry the fuck up or somebody come. Hurry the fuck up. Man, take that shit the fuck out right now. The fuck you looking at, bitch? Your stupid ass on. Hurry up and take that shit out, man. The fuck you mean stop? Nigga supposed to be a fucking booster. Bitch ain't boosted shit. Bitch now finna take everything. Bitch, you finna walk around this bitch naked. Hurry up and take that shit the fuck off. I ain't gonna yell at your ass no fucking more. If you die in this bitch, your ass gonna die right the fuck here. Take that shit off. I swear to God, y'all. I swear to God, on Chubby Grave, I'm finna kill this bitch ass nigga. Gonna stop playing with me. I swear to God, bro. You on a dead end. I'll leave your ass dead right here. Take all that shit out so you can live. Man, take this shit the fuck out. Take all this shit the fuck out, bitch. Fuck wrong with you, bitch ass nigga. Man, take that shit off. I'll rip that shit out. Take the fucking shit off. I'll rip that shit out. Bro, take that fucking shit off. Go on about your.
Fuck up and take that shit off.
I'll go into shock.
I don't give a fuck. Take that fucking shirt off.
Bro,
get your money.
Take that fucking shirt off.
Fuck that money. Take that shirt off.
Please get your money.
Take that fucking.
Take that fucking shirt off.
I'm finna snatch this bitch up off you.
I'm the fuck out of you if you don't take that damn shirt off.
Bro, I swear to God.
Take the shirt off.
I ain't gonna kill you, but listen to this. Where is it?
The people do have the money. They have the money to go into the bank. Please.
Take the shirt
Please
off.
believe me. I didn't lie. You didn't wait.
Hey, I'm finna snatch. Hey, take it out. Take it out right now. Bro, if you die, your ass gonna be fucking dead on the back seat. We gonna ride your dead ass
Your
around.
fucking clothes off. You finna
Hey, take that shit off. Take that shit off. Take that shit off.
Take that shit off.
I swear, I'm on my life. On my life.
I'm finna stab the fuck out of you.
Hey, just take it off.
Money, take the shit off.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it the fuck off.
I can get it later.
Take it the fuck off.
It's gonna be right there.
Take it the fuck off. Man, bruh, nigga just play with my fucking money though. Hey, I ain't gonna do shit though. But bro, you just don't fucking play with me, man. Take that shit off. Take that shit off. The fuck wrong with you, bitch? Hey, don't fucking play with me. Stop calling me. Take it the fuck out. Man, don't fucking die in my car, bro. I ain't got time to be carrying your ass out my car. Man, take that shit the fuck. Take that shit the fuck out.
Get your money, please. Just get your...
Man, take that shit the fuck out.
I'll do something else in. I'll get credit.
Take them fucking clothes off. Man, look at this goof ass, bitch ass nigga. Come on, take it off.
Get your money.
Take.
Fucking play on me. Take that shit off. Take it all off. Take that shit off. Give me shit. What the fuck wrong with you? Bro, get the fuck out of my car if you won't die.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that is out on social media. You see me, where it is said that this video is of a live recording that had been put out there on social media, and some things that had happened in this video, some persons call it prostitution that had gone wrong or gone bad, and some persons call what had happened in this video kidnapping, is what I'm saying to you. Now, in my point of view and my opinion about this video, and you know, you can let me know if I'm right or if I'm wrong about what I'm about to say right about now, you see me? When I look at this video, it seems as if an agreement that had been made between the male and one of the females, or probably both females, you know, something went wrong, is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, I'm not sure what is what, but however, you know, me look at the video, and according to some of the things that I've heard in this video, viewers and subscribers, it seems as if, you know, some agreement just gone wrong. But however, what had happened in this video, it is just wrong, is what I'm saying to you. Holding knives and threatening persons' lives, it is not right. You get what I'm saying to you? I want to point that out. You know, it doesn't matter if someone broke an agreement with you, you better take it to the law. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and in the first place, you should not be involved in anything that is illegal or any form of illegal activities in the first place. You understand me? So those are the things I'm looking at, and that's my opinion about this whole video. So I say, yeah, so you know, to persons out there, just avoid any form of confrontations like this, and you know, big up and respect on yourself. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. Me only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. Alright? Yeah, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.